kind of uncomfortable for me to find myself in the position of advocating for more analysis or more red tape. I'm usually talking about how we need less bureaucracy and agencies need to have less power to hold things up. But the reason this is important is because the Regulatory Flexibility Act is supposed to provide some accountability and transparency. The problem with the regulatory administrative state is that agencies and bureaucrats are making decisions that have the force of law without accountability or transparency. So Congress passed the Regulatory Flexibility Act to increase transparency and help agencies make better decisions, but it included some squishy language that isn't accomplishing the goals that Congress was trying to accomplish. So the Enhanced Regulatory Flexibility Act requires agencies to answer questions like, why is an agency considering this action? What objectives and legal basis exist for this rule? An estimate of the number of small entities that are impacted, whether access to credit will be impacted, whether some entities will be more impacted than others. And agencies are required to actually respond to comments and concerns, give a detailed statement that includes an economic assessment, quantifiable description of the rule's impact, or a descriptive statement of why that isn't possible. And so that's the kind of agency action that benefits Main Street businesses and helps keep Americans freer and the government more accountable. And that's why I urge my colleagues to support the Enhanced Regulatory Flexibility Act, and I yield back.